The Newsletter widget adds an email subscription box on your web page. There's two options on the Content tab for selecting the input field spacing and type of the subscription box. Heading to the Style tab, we can see two sections, one for the input field and the other for the Submit button. You can change the background color, border, padding and typography for both the box and button. Choosing the standard type will give you users more options to enter their first name and last name on display. Click on the two switches to enable those. And there is another slide bar to adjust label spacing. Moving on to the Style tab, you will get an additional section to customize the labels. That's it. Please like and subscribe to get more updates. Thanks for watching.